Hey there, parents and soon-to-be parents. Taking a trip with a baby can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be stressful. In this video, we're going to break down the ultimate packing list, covering all the essential items you'll need for a smooth and enjoyable journey with your little one. We'll cover everything from diapering and feeding to comfort and safety, ensuring you have all the right tools to make travel a breeze. First up, let's talk about diapering and feeding. You'll definitely need a good supply of diapers, wipes, and diaper rash cream. Don't forget the formula or food your baby uses. Pack enough for your entire trip, plus some extra just in case. If you're bottle feeding, include bottles and a portable sterilizer to keep things clean. For breastfeeding moms, a nursing cover can provide privacy and comfort, and a portable changing mat is a must-have for quick and easy diaper changes on the go, whether you're in a hotel room or at the park. Now let's focus on clothing and comfort. Pack a variety of outfits for different temperatures, including onesies, pajamas, socks, and hats. It's always a good idea to pack layers, as temperatures can fluctuate in different environments. A light blanket will provide warmth and comfort, especially in air-conditioned spaces. And to ensure a restful nap or playtime, consider bringing a travel crib or playmat. This will create a familiar and safe space for your little one to relax and unwind, making your trip more enjoyable for everyone. Safety is always a top priority when traveling with a baby. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential, including a thermometer, pain relievers, and antibacterial cream for any minor bumps or scratches. For easy transportation, a baby carrier or stroller is a must-have, keeping your little one secure and comfortable. And don't forget about sunscreen and insect repellent to protect their delicate skin from the sun and pesky bugs. These simple precautions will help ensure a safe and healthy trip for your baby. Finally, let's talk about keeping your little one entertained during your travels. Pack their favorite toys, books, and pacifiers to keep them engaged and happy. Travel-sized wipes and a portable changing bag will be your best friends for quick cleanups and diaper changes on the go. And remember, a well-stocked diaper bag is your ultimate travel companion, holding all the essentials you need to keep your baby comfortable and cared for throughout your adventure. With these tips, you'll be prepared for a smooth and enjoyable trip with your little one.